Be careful, Doctor. Patient's dangerous.
You got anything you want to say to the judge, you better start thinking of it now.
You're wasting your time. Let's get a hold of Troy.
Hey, is it really you?
Do I know you?
My brother was in the Saints and told me all about you. Listen, we gotta get you out of here.
Well, I'm sure if we ask nicely.
I know a way out.
Yeah? Then why are you still here?
I heard you were in here and I wanted to bust you out. Getting out of here is a two-man job and no one else will give it a try.
You really expect me to trust some guy I don't even know?
Come on, I just got myself shanked so I could get a chance to talk to you. Doesn't that show I'm loyal?
It shows that you're dumb enough to let yourself get stabbed.
I'm trying to help you.
You know what I got the last time I trusted someone? Blown the fuck up.
You need me.
The hell I do. I got the Saints.
Sure you do.
What's that supposed to mean?
How long do you think you've been out?
I don't know, man. 2 or 3 weeks?
Look, I know you think you're a badass, but do you even know where you're at? Without me, you'll be wandering around the prison for hours. Even if you manage to hide from the guards that long, and if you actually figure out how to make it outside these walls, you're just gonna find out that you're sitting on a goddamn island. And I'm pretty sure you cannot swim the Coast Guard.
You got a boat stashed here?
No, but I know where we're gonna steal one.
All right, let's get out of here.
Should have killed me without a chance. Damn, that feels good.
We can either try to sneak out through the roof or charge out the front. Your call. I can't believe I'm breaking out of jail with you.
I'm glad you're having fun. Let's just make sure we don't get shot.
If you don't want to die, then don't make it up. Keep trying.
God damn it! I'm not...
Follow me. I know the way out. Okay, we gotta climb these pipes up to the roof. So, do you remember my brother?
I'm sorry, Carlos. There were a lot of guys that wore purple in the Saints.
What are you gonna do when you get out of here?
Not get sent back here.
Shit!
Watch.
I'm putting you away!
You thought it was bad before? Just wait.
Oh, God! Oh! Quit it!
Let's stay away from the spotlight.
Yeah! This is probably in my report!
I think we might pull this out.
Don't get cocky. We ain't out of here yet.
Here we come.
Told you I'd get you out of here.
I'd hold off on celebrating until we're off this island.